Very good morning, students. Let's start our English class. So we had completed, yesterday we had completed chapter reading and the story explanation of chapter 4, value of time. And I already sent you all the question and answers, which you all have to complete by yourself on your notebook. Understand? And let's move to the exercise of this chapter today. So let's start this exercise. Here you can see this is the exercise. Listen. This exercise you all have to do by yourself. But I will explain this exercise to you all. It is Pooja's birthday. But Pooja's mother has been suffering from fever for 4 days. So five of her friends want to give a surprise party to Pooja. Listen carefully and match who got what for the party. So for this, completing this exercise, you have to open page number 56 of your book. Open page number 156 of your book. Have you opened? Show me your book. Yes. Page number 156. Page number 156, which is written here. Page number 156. Yes, Yashwan?
मैम पेज नंबर 48 में है.
Page number 156, last page of your book. Open the last page of your book. 156 page number. Open 156 page number and show me. Yes, Shiksha.
मैम मेरे क्या में 48 पेज नंबर में है.
बेटा पेज नंबर 146 ओपन कीजिए. ओपन 146 पेज नंबर 156. Yes, Sarthak. Look, Sarthak's notebook. Sarthak दिखा रहा है. You can see that here. Sarthak is showing his book. Yes, in the last page of your book, there are chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4 is written now. So there, chapter 4. You have to read whatever is written in chapter 4. Yes, yes, Viksha, very good. So chapter 4, you have to read that whatever is written there in chapter 4. Okay. Rishika, have you got? मिल गया आपको? Very good. Chapter 4 is written there, which you all have to read it. And after reading that, you have to match it. Like what is written there, let me read that for you first. All 5 friends decided to bring things and food items for the party. Rohit brought balloons and patties. So here Rohit is written. So Rohit क्या लेकर आया? Balloons and patties. So you can see balloons and patties. Here you can see balloon and patties. Rohit लेकर आया. Understand? Ria brought a chocolate cake. So you have to Ria and chocolate cake. Understand? You have to do this exercise by yourself like this. Read that whatever is written there in chapter 4 option and complete that. Move to the next exercise. I hope you all can do this exercise easily. It's very simple. Move to the grammar portion of this chapter. You can see here prepositions. Prepositions. What are prepositions? Words like in, on, under, before, beside, near. They all are prepositions, which tells us where things are or the place where you can find them. Preposition हमें क्या बताते हैं? That where the things are on. Or where we can find them. Like you can see, where did you keep my books? Then your answer is given by him that I kept them in your bag. In. Here in is the preposition. Where is the elephant? Look at the picture and fill in the blanks with the correct prepositions from the box. Here you have to fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. As you can see, The elephant is sitting in the sofa, up the sofa, from the sofa, under the sofa, on the sofa, or between the sofa. So you have to tell me the right answer.
Ma'am, on.
Yes, very good, Sarthak. The answer is on. Next, it is dash the mouse and cat. Here is the mouse and here is the cat. So it is between the mouse and cat. Now here, it is peeping dash the door. He is peeping from the door. It has now come out and is hiding dash the table. Dash the table, he is under the table. Understand? He is under the table. Next is, it is climbing dash the ladder. It is climbing up the ladder. Next is, it is now sitting dash the box. It is now sitting in the box. Elephant is in the box. Here he is climbing up. Here it is under the box. Here it is peeping from the door. Here it is between the cat and the mouse. And here it is on the sofa. I hope you all have written this exercise. Move to the next exercise. Now here you can see what is written here. Determiners. Here you can find out the determiners. Determiners means a few or a little, which tells us that what is the quantity. It just determines the quantity of anything. Like there are a few birds on the tree. When nouns are small in number, even if they can be counted, we use a few. When nouns are small in number, जब noun क्या होते हैं small होते हैं number में, then we use a few, like a few birds, a few sweets, a few flowers. Sometimes when things are in a small quantity, we use a little. A little is used before uncountable noun. Uncountable noun means ऐसी चीजें जिनको हम count नहीं कर सकते. We cannot count them. They are called uncountable noun. Like a little water, we cannot count water. A little air, we cannot count air. A little juice, we cannot count juice. Neeta wants to arrange a few red flowers and few white flowers in a transparent glass vase. Help her to do it using a little and a few. Put dash water in the vase. So here a little or a few. What will come? A little water, because we cannot count water here. A little. Put a dash red flower in it. Put a few red flower in it. Now put a few. Now put a few white flower in the center. Now number 4, add a little salt in the water. We cannot count salt. A little salt in the center. Next is, you can also add a little red color in the water. A little red color in the water. We cannot count red color, no? That's why. Now put this vase on the table. The red color water marks it looks beautiful. I hope that you all have completed this exercise. Move to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with in, on, near, between, and up. Here we have to fill in the blanks with correct prepositions. So there were many books on the table. Answer is on the table. Next is the big tree grew near the river. Next is the children played dash the park. The children played in the park. Rumi ran dash the stair. Rumi ran up the stair. The child sat between her parents. Between her parents. I hope that you all have done this exercise also. I have learned the value of time. Seen for the word value can be best replaced with which word is best for the value. Value means importance. Understand? Tick here in the importance. Tick here in the importance. I hope that you all have done this exercise as well. Move to the next exercise. Okay, so this exercise is not much important. You don't have to do this exercise. Understand? We had completed all the exercises. If you have any doubt related to this exercise or this chapter or chapter from 1 to 4, you can ask me here. Understand?